Inspire Institute of Technologies Pakistan is offering you CIT, Certificate in Information Technology. The Certificate in Information Technology, CIT, is an introduction program to the exciting world of computers, where the possibilities are limited only to one's own imagination. Information technology is the application of computers and telecommunication systems to produce, manipulate, store, organize, retrieve, and transmit data. It involves development, installation, implementation, management, and maintenance of computer hardware and software within companies, universities, and other organizations. The CIT Certification in Information Technology program majorly covers the following: Introduction to Computers with Computer Hardware, Office Automation, MS Word, MS Excel, Internet Social Media, Basic Graphics with Adobe Photoshop, Web Designing through Dreamweaver, Computer Hardware, Basics of Digital Marketing, Basic of Internet of Things, IoT. Employment Opportunities. Internships and referral program available: Web Application Developer, E-commerce Site Admin Developer, Front-End Applications Developer, Software Engineer, Systems Analyst, work as freelancer or full-time employee. Admission open. For registration call us on 92-321-505-6755 or WhatsApp us on 92-331-5999937. Visit our website www.iitpakistan.com.pk or mail us at info@iitpakistan.com.pk. Make sure to subscribe us on YouTube and follow our Facebook page for more details about other qualifications.